Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to hide dock on your MacBook M1 or M2. We do this because we don't want it to appear in some program and distract us. Let's go! First go to System Settings. Then find the Desktop and Dock section. Click on Automatically Hide and show the dock. That's simple but helps a lot. Now close the window. If you want to turn it back, just go back to Desktop and Dock section and undo it. I hope it helped you. Please subscribe for more tutorials.